down that hole. And the trouble with these places, shall I say something?
Yeah, can do. Just onto this mic, okay. You don't need the mic for
that. Ready?
Yeah.
So the trouble with some of these places, the further you go in, the more it gets flooded. So watch your step a little bit and try not to slip over. That huge spider there, can you get that? It's running across the water, look at it. Can you get that?
Maybe. I'm a bit zero hands.
See how they float on the water? Let's see if I can make it come back. Hang on a second. Oh, mate. Wrong effect. Oh, well, that's good. Can you get it?
Mm-hmm.
Go on, turn around. Okay. Yeah, rescue. They're totally fine in the water, look at them. Okay. Okay. Do you want to have a look at the bats? Let's have a look at the bats. By the way, these little enclaves on each side of the tunnel, these are probably for ammunition storage. So there's about 3 or 4 of these on each side of the tunnel. So as we go further down, you'll see the entrance is sealed up. I think that's on purpose. I don't think that's a natural slide. And you would have been able to get a truck into here, as I said earlier, to reverse up to the position at the front. And right here we have a whole colony of bats. You see, it looks like a whole carpet. Okay, so what is quite amazing about this place is the bats on the ceiling. It's just like it's like a carpet of bats, and they're not flying away. I think it's because there's safety in numbers. If you get 2 or 3 individual bats just hanging around on the roof, they tend to fly off. But you see these bats, they're right over me. There's a couple that have flown away here, and that one there as well, but on the whole, they're just remaining where they are. You see, they go all the way down there to the end of the tunnel, just packed with bats, and of course at night time, well, at dusk, they'll all fly out of the entrance. But it's amazing that you can get so close to these. You can literally reach out and grab them. They're not scared at all. Absolutely incredible. And of course there's another bunker just over there. We're going to go to it via another passage here in a minute. I haven't been up there yet, but we're going to walk up there and try and get to the other bunker through the underground passages. On the ones in the back. Oh, I've got your light on.
Yeah, I just want quite a lot of this.